Ring Battery Doorbell Plus-bundle. Complete security with head-to-toe video that actually works.
You check your doorbell camera and realize you missed half the delivery again. Feet cut off, package completely out of frame, just another grainy, chest-up view of nobody you can actually identify. It's frustrating when the tech you bought to protect your home leaves you guessing instead. Sound familiar? A neighbor recently told me she'd watched her package get stolen while her doorbell recorded absolutely nothing useful. Have you felt that disappointment?
Those blind spots add up dangerously fast. Missed package thefts you can't report, blurry night footage police won't use, the gnawing anxiety every time you're away wondering if someone's testing your doors right now. You feel the weight of wasted money on systems that don't actually work when it counts most. One homeowner described the visceral panic of realizing her cameras failed during a break-in. But there's a smarter path forward.
That's where the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus with Ring Spotlight Cam Plus and Ring Alarm 14-piece kit changes everything. Don't just pick any video doorbell bundle. Make sure it has true head-to-toe HD Plus coverage, so you avoid missing ground-level packages and full-body identification that standard doorbells cut off completely. This bundle delivers expanded 1:1 aspect ratio video, capturing visitors from head to literal floor level. Dual LED spotlights with color night vision on the outdoor camera for genuinely usable nighttime footage. Customizable motion zones with person and package detection, two-way talk with noise cancellation across both cameras, and a complete 14-piece alarm system covering every door and window with professional monitoring available for just $10 monthly. A busy consultant nearly missed critical doorbell footage during a porch theft investigation until she switched to head-to-toe video and caught the thief's full appearance, including identifying shoe details standard cameras miss entirely. Everything syncs in one unified Ring app, 3 security layers working together seamlessly. And here's what most people overlook about why this bundle outperforms buying pieces separately.
The efficiency gain is immediate and tangible throughout your day. Your mornings flow smoother, knowing notifications tell you exactly what's happening. Package detected, person at door, motion in backyard, instead of generic alerts you've learned to ignore completely. Workflow between devices is seamless and intelligent. The alarm arms automatically when you leave. Cameras activate recording when sensors trigger. Spotlights deter intruders while capturing color footage instead of useless black and white blur. A smart home technology expert noted during rigorous testing that the head-to-toe field of view genuinely solves the visibility problem plaguing standard doorbells for years. A home security influencer observed that Ring's professional monitoring at this price point disrupts the entire traditional security industry model. Independent consumer analysis confirms satisfaction rates above 85% for complete bundles versus individual component purchases. One real user shared, "I finally sleep through the night knowing the monitoring center responds even when I can't reach my phone." Personal observation after deployment, the psychological relief of seeing your entire property covered simultaneously is genuinely profound. What about the learning curve? Setup takes roughly 2 hours with zero technical skill required. Everything is guided, wireless, and adhesive mounted for simplicity. Does your current system protect all 3 vulnerability layers? See why so many families refuse partial coverage now.
You're looking at complete, integrated home security that actually works the way it should from day one. Head-to-toe video captures what matters most. Spotlights deter and illuminate threats. 14 sensors protect every single entry point simultaneously. Professional monitoring responds when you can't. Join the many homeowners already experiencing consistent peace of mind with verified whole home protection daily.
Results may vary based on installation and usage patterns, but the difference between partial security and complete coverage is undeniable in practice. Click the link below and experience the security system that finally covers everything. You deserve that confidence.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.